Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Notion to revolutionize your gardening planning for 2025. So let's jump right in. First things first, set up a new page in Notion and title it 2025 Gardening Plan. This is where you'll keep all your gardening data and goals. Keeping everything in one place makes it easier to track progress and make adjustments as needed. Now that we've done that, let's create a table database. Click on the plus Add a Block button and then select Table, Full Page. Name your table Plants. The reason we do this is to have a central place to track all your plants, their needs, and growth stages. This helps us because it allows for a quick overview of everything that's happening in your garden. Next up, customize your table columns. You want to include columns for plant names, planting dates, watering frequency, sunlight needs, and harvest dates. This is where Notion's flexibility truly shines. By customizing columns, you're able to tailor your gardening plan to your specific needs. Let me explain why this matters. By tracking these specific data points, you can ensure each plant gets exactly what it needs to thrive. Now, let's add a calendar view. Click on Add a View and choose Calendar. Name it Gardening Calendar. The calendar view allows you to visualize your planting and harvesting dates so you can plan your garden activities more effectively. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you input dates into your table, they'll automatically show up on this calendar, giving you a visual representation of your gardening timeline. Finally, utilize Notion's template feature to create a daily gardening checklist. This will help you stay on top of your daily gardening tasks and ensure you don't forget anything. The reason we do this is to establish a routine and make sure no plant gets overlooked. And that's it. You've just set up a comprehensive gardening plan in Notion. Remember, the key to successful gardening is consistency and observation. With this Notion setup, you've got a powerful tool at your disposal to keep your garden thriving. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening.